In this video, I will show you how to stay offline but read and send WhatsApp messages. First, you need to launch application, then you need to tap on the three dots on your right upper side, then get on the last session, which is settings. Right after you get right here, you need to go on the right selection, which is account, then simply go on the first side, privacy, and right from here, guys, as you can see, you have all these selections which are so much important for you, but you need to choose up the right one, which is last seen. You need to go on that side and then select nobody on the last session. Right after you get done with that selection, what you need simply to do it is going on the status selection, just go for it and go only share with, and here you can select the side sections or simply on users which are so related to you, or simply for example your best friend, or also you can create another account on which you're going to simply take that account which you have created and you're going to have two accounts which are related one to them, but it's only for sharing to that site. After you get selected that site, you need to get back from here and then write down you have read receipts. You need to turn off that selection, and from now on you have done it the right point.